All right, SAR. I haven't had a chance to do a video before, so I'm doing one now. I got a Black Hawk holster for it, but this is the SAR steel 1919. I'm not worried about y'all with the serial number. I'll keep it on safety. But this is how that joker looks. It's kind of dirty. I've been having it in this case. I actually taken it on this rig with me. So I need to wipe it down. But that's how it looks. I'll be firing it and put a video up on the firing of it. It comes with 2 clips, a plug, nice grips, man. These grips feel real good. It's a good hold, a good squeeze. Got that beaver tail on it. And it's dual action, man. I don't like dry firing mines, but yeah, I got a shell in here, and you can fire this, and it's gonna kick back, and you can just keep squeezing. So it's a dual action. You know, a lot of the weapons, especially AR, 1911 style, they the gas from the firing of the weapon is what pushes the slide back. But this thing here, let me show y'all. I'm gonna put the phone down, and because I'm doing this on the phone on my rig real quick, because I hadn't had a chance to do this, but I want to dry fire to let y'all see what I'm talking about. So let me pop that clip out, clear the bullet out, and the hammer back. Clear the bullet out. Let me make sure everything's clear. Everything's clear. Sorry about all that fumbling, but everything's clear. See the hammer back, but look, you fire off, and look at that. You see what I'm saying? Dual action. That bitch is bad to do that. But there it is. This is the SAR 2000 steel. It's a nice unit, man. I think I got this unit, man, myself. I think I paid $300 for it. I seen them running higher, but I've been getting some deals on weapons. But it's a nice, and it's dual action, man. See, that's that half cock, fully cock, half cock, full cock, safety switch, lockout. There go your viewpoint. So it's a cool weapon, man. Pick it up, and it's dual action. And I don't want to do that no more. That'll be the last I do that.